Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock with news of widespread service sector growth underpinning the world's economy. American employers added 212,000 jobs at about the expected rate last month, according to the ADP Employment Survey, but the gains seem to be slowing. That was despite growth in the giant US services sector, picking up modestly in February, lifted by healthy improvements in new business. Service sector growth is also improving and expanding in Germany, in France, in China, and even Australia, where it has showed its first expansion in a year. Things look pretty tough in Russia, however. The data for the Eurozone is quite encouraging and providing more positive surprises than negative ones these days. In fact, today it was revealed that Eurozone retail sales rose for a fourth consecutive month in January, adding to the sentiment. Eyes are now on the ECB, who will be making some big announcements on their latest QE program tomorrow. India's central bank surprised markets overnight with another cut to its key lending rate, the second time this year. It tries to join the worldwide trend of monetary policy easing. But the cut was from 7.75 to 7.5%, leaving policy rates very high by any standard. In Australia, David Murray has said Australia needs to consider introducing caps on borrowing to rein in house price growth and prevent further risks to their financial system. The US Treasury 10-year yields held on to yesterday's gains in New York earlier today and are now up 1 basis point to 2.10%. New Zealand swap rates have responded, putting on 5 to 9 basis points in a steepening bias. It is time for bond investors, especially those exposed in conservative funds like KiwiSaver, to be on their guard. Rising interest rates could expose them to heavy losses. The crude oil price is falling today and is now just on $50 a barrel, and the Brent crude price is now under $60 a barrel. US crude stocks just keep growing. The gold price is treading water and still at $1,201 an ounce. And the New Zealand dollar starts today noticeably higher at 75.8 US cents, 97 Aussie cents, which is, if it holds, is a new post-float high, and the TWI is back up to 79.8. That got an added boost with the Kiwi trading at 68.5 euro cents, which is also a post-float high. I'm David Chaston. That was 9 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.